Yo, check this out. This is Wayne Wonder, representing for Warieka LTV. You see the vision, don't it? See the vision. Warieka LTV. Keep it locked.
No, I'm gonna tell you. We, us as bloggers, these are the issues that we need to address. You understand what I say? You see? Set the path for the youth. Share, like, and subscribe and stay tuned to the channel. I don't know all this. Yes, I. Greetings once again in the mighty name of His Imperial Majesty Emperor Haile Selassie the First. You know, see. Welcome all viewers and subscribers. See? Yes, I. Now, the other day I want to say I got some book and do a video. Basically, I review the character of Wayne Wonder. And I not even review him tune them or try promote. You see, then again, I never in a position are skillful enough. You see? I don't appreciate love. Ace man thing. The man goes up and whip up something and send it back to me fast as I can see. I know enough for love and appreciate it. You see? On top of that, the man said an exclusive come give me a while. I go saw a tune where I release tomorrow. Me first I play it. I mean first I go hear it from. You know see it? Yeah. That's what I think I'll go and give thanks. Anyway, tune in. Diamond in the Rough. Wayne Wonder. You know see it? And we'll chat some more about it again. Big tune. You know see it? I see that tune here? Thing about that tune here is that it give credence. You know see it? It give a level of appreciation, recognition, and adoration for the female gender, for the lady them, like we always say. You know, see, and then we always try to protect and we do our best, so we continue to do our best. So me a tune like this come out, we're also up on the topic, you know, see it, and I have to do my 2 cents, you know, see it. So, tune in and listen to that one here. Wayne Wonder, you know, see it. Streaming now, go out and buy it. See it?
It's Wayne for the ladies. Well, in storm, angels of the night. I know your work gets harder, trying your hardest to survive. It's not an easy life. My heart goes out to mothers, trying their best even though things tight. Appreciating all the sacrifices. Your selflessness, you never did think twice. Wherever you are, pretty lady. Ooh, just know that you're a diamond in the rough, waiting to shine. My love is a dark, sweet lady. Ooh, hope you feel the love, 'cause it's directed to your heart. Life has many roads. Imagine what you will end. You will see your open door. Dreams are just direction. I think that you should know that it doesn't end when your eyes are closed. Appreciating all the sacrifices. Your selflessness, you never did think twice. Wherever you are, city lady. Just know that you're a diamond in the rough, waiting to shine. My love is a dark, sweet lady. Would hope you feel the love, 'cause it's directed to your heart. Angel of the night, I know your work gets harder, trying your hardest to survive. It's not an easy life. My heart goes out to mothers, trying their best even though things tight. To all the ladies out there looking lovely, I know the battlefield it can be ugly. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Whoa, whoa. Love is lovely, what is ugly? To all the ladies out there, you so lovely. Whoa, whoa. Angels of the night, I know your work is harder. Try your hardest to survive. Boy, it's not an easy life. My heart goes out to mothers, doing their best even though things tight. Ooh, yeah. Even though we like to make it right. It's Wayne for the ladies.
Yes, I. Like I said, I want that stream right now. You see it? Yeah. Step out and buy the tune. You don't know. Depend all of the streaming on all platforms. Spotify, iTunes, all of them. You see it. You don't know. Search for it and you find it. You don't know. Show your appreciation, cause you see it. Yeah, man. Mad love, man. You see it, cause the end of the day, it's like, you see it. Yeah, we have to show back with love. Yes, I. Rastafari.